Next stop.
All the portion didn't know where to go. Cross the street with my dog, yeah, the woe. Being me made it harder to grow. Still went up, got my feet off the floor. Gonna wanna be.
First we drive an hour just for it to rain. Of course Danny gets her hair done and then it gets rained on. Of course Arlene put on a whole fit just for it to get rained on. Of course, this man can't run at all. It's July, it's July, it's July. Why'd you lying? I'm excited. Gotta make a lot of money this month. So I'm about to head out right now. Got a couple checks to pick up. So you know, if you picking up checks, everybody's doing good. I didn't really record me getting ready for the day, but it is what it is. But first things first, take your supplements, man. Got a busy day, got a busy month. We got a busy rest of the year, guys. The year is halfway over and like, I have no room for negativity right now. Like if you're on that negative, get the fuck away from me, bro. I can't be around you. And let's get healthy, let's get wealthy, let's get right with God. Bro, one thing I've been doing when I'm on these drives is I'll turn on the Diary of a CEO podcast. It's one of probably the best podcast channels that I've ever listened to in my life, I will say, because the questions that he's asking are just so articulate and so well asked, where it's just like you get the best answers from these high level entrepreneurs. So I just recommend to anyone that, you know, maybe you're on drives too, listen to that podcast, because a lot of the podcasts I've heard, like I just learned about investing because I feel like, okay, cool, I'm making a good amount of money. You know, what should I be doing with my money? Yeah, you know, they say invest into yourself, which I have been doing the past 2 years. And yeah, the ROI and investing in yourself, it's great. But okay, what else? Like, where else should I be putting my money, you know, for like retirement or like long term? So I've been trying to figure that out. And I heard one podcast and it completely changed, like not changed, but it started my investment strategy. Right now I'm listening to Kevin O'Leary, and I know like some people think he's like a dickhead, but he's real. I don't like people who are just gonna like tell me, oh yeah, like you're doing great. Like I want people to tell me like, bro, you're doing good, but here's what you should be doing better. And that's what I like to hear. And I feel like Kevin O'Leary, I'm listening to his podcast and I'm like, that's a good hidden gem right there. Just got to the first house of the day. It's kind of spooky in here, I'm not gonna lie. Fire. Small kitchen, easy to see. Thank you. I was kind of scared in here, man. I'm not gonna lie. Let's measure real quick. My aunt's house is literally like right next door. So I called her. Haven't seen her in a minute. So gonna get some brunch with her. Just like that, the information we need. Send this to my girl. She'll go ahead, draw up a quote. So it took about 5 minutes. That's all you gotta do, man.
This shit is like literally stuck, bro. What the hell, boy? Should I just leave it like that? Damn, I'm just gonna have to leave it like that, bro.
Yo, so look, this neighborhood, we've done a couple houses in here. We did this house, and then we did another house right here. Oh, we did this one right here. Check it out. Did this house, and then we also did this house right here. Yeah, this is where I'm picking up the check from, because I completed the job for this one. Let's keep it pushing. Had brunch with my aunt. That was pretty cool. Caught up with her. I didn't get any video of that, but good vibes. It's a new day, early morning, 8 a.m. Let's get it. On my way to my first appointment. I'm super excited about today. Today is basically like a Friday because of the fact that tomorrow is 4th of July. And yesterday I had my days messed up. I thought it was July 1st. It was actually July 2nd. So today is July 3rd. I cannot complain. Life is good. Just excited, man. Not that I love working, but I enjoy the process. Like I enjoy the journey more than like getting paid, meeting new people, meeting developers, meeting builders. Regardless if it's my client or not, having conversations with people, it keeps me going, because a lot of people are in way better positions than I am, and I inspire to be like them, if not better. I feel like coming from a marketing background and now like being involved in like real estate, I get to just have like two of the best of both worlds. I feel like I have so much information, it's just overwhelming sometimes, but it's like when you have these conversations with different types of people, you can just apply it to your service and your business, and it just makes you feel like unstoppable. Like right now when I pick up the camera, I just feel unstoppable. When I'm measuring, I feel unstoppable. Just got to the first house. Hola, primo. Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás, amigo? ¿Cómo estás, amigo? Dude, they're in the car. Yeah, I have quartz.
This one here and
That's the overhang. The stove?
yeah.
Oh. I think that will look good. If that client approves it, it's a pretty good job. I think with the colors he chose, it's like in that $3,000, $4,000 range. I'm praying that this man approves it because he came in so random. Like yesterday, I got him as a client, just super random. It's gonna look really nice once it's done. Like there's like open space, so that kitchen will look good. And the fixtures, if you saw earlier, the golden handles with the brown cabinet, I mean not brown cabinetry, the green cabinetry, that's gonna look tough. Especially once you put like some white quartz on there, it's gonna look really good. So now we're on our way to go pick up a check for Arlene's dad. It's about a 40-minute drive, so it's not bad. Then I have to go to another appointment in like North Georgia. I'll show you guys that one next.
Spinning them racks go crazy. Bring it right back, that's crazy. Rich man's, I'm go crazy.
Spinning them racks, that's crazy. Bring it right back, that's crazy. It's 11 o'clock right now. We're at the last house. After this, let's go on a run or a walk, something. After that, go lift. Of course, it's locked. Cooked. Of course, I come all the way over here, and this is Arlene's dad's client, and he didn't even tell them that I was coming. He didn't even respond to her text. So I'm a little salty right now, but it's a great day. Beautiful outside. I really don't have much to complain about. Let's get some gas. I just drove all the way here for no reason though. That's crazy. 55-minute drive, bro. Bro. Just got back home. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. It was great bringing you guys along with me, showing you guys what I do for work, showing you what I do outside of work. Really what I do outside of work is normal stuff. We're just at the gym, going on walks, going on runs, staying healthy, cooking, cleaning, little stuff like that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Right now, I just wanna show you guys what I do, who I really am, and just my personality, because I want you guys to understand that I'm not some celebrity. I'm just a regular guy, just making his way.
That's how I'm feeling, and I want to feel that every